What's up, guys? I am back for October for some spooky Halloween crafts. Sorry, that was really cheesy. But I am so sorry I haven't posted in the last 2-3 weeks. I've been busy with schoolwork and homework and just stuff. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own DIY spider hanging decoration. Nope, it is not the one from Party City. But they are the sponsors for this video, so thank you. This spider craft, you'll be able to hang from anywhere. Watch. You just take it, hook it up, and drop it. See? It's really good. Wait a second, is that a real spider up there? Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys before I started this video, I have arachnophobia, which is a fear of spiders. So yes. So after I had my dad kill that spider, seriously, can you believe the size? That thing was like a quarter. I was able to continue filming. So without further ado, let's get into how you can make this little guy who is non-threatening. I repeat, he is non-threatening.
For this craft, what you're going to need is a styrofoam ball, 8 pipe cleaners, lots of glitter, googly eyes, elastic band, and a hot glue gun. The first step is to attach the pipe cleaners to the styrofoam ball. Make sure you twist the pipe cleaners if you want to make 2 for a more spider-like appearance. Also make sure you have 8 and bend them down so that it can stand up straight. Just poke it into the styrofoam ball and make sure it stays in there completely and securely. Test it a few times to see if it stands up on its own. Then, when you're done, you can go on to the next step. The next step is to bombard your spider with glitter. I recommend doing black and another color to make it a little more spooky looking and festive for Halloween. I recommend doing it to the pipe cleaners too. Then you can go on to the next step. Next up is where the adults should come in. They're going to glue googly eyes to the styrofoam ball with a hot glue gun. They're also going to do this to the elastical cord, which you'll see in this clip, as seen here. Yep. Kids, I know you want to do this, but the adults should step in just so you can stay safe. Also, you can do 4 if you want. I just did 2 because it's cute little eyes. Next. Now your little spider decoration is done and can be hung up from anywhere. Now you can use it to hang up, or you can play games with it, such as Spider Target. You bounce the spider, as seen here. Watch, you bounce it and try to get it to land as close to the target as possible. I miserably failed. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit notifications so you can always be notified about a new video. Until then, happy crafting!